Thinking of learning Snowflake but not sure where to start? Or wondering if it's even right for you? In this video, I'll break down the key skills you need and don't need to start your Snowflake journey. Whether you are from a data background or just curious, you might be surprised how beginner friendly it actually is. Why should you learn Snowflake in the first place? Because Snowflake is one of the most in-demand cloud data platforms widely used across analytics, data engineering, and machine learning. The best part? You don't need to be a cloud expert or advanced programmer to get started. Is Snowflake right for you? It's a great fit if you are already a data analyst, a BI developer, a data engineer or ETL developer, data scientist or ML practitioner, nevertheless, student or career switcher. But it may not be ideal yet if you are a front-end or mobile developer. Because if your work is mostly UI focused and you haven't used databases much, the learning curve may be a bit higher, but not impossible. Next, system engineer or DevOps professional. Unless you're transitioning into cloud data infrastructure, Snowflake may not directly align with your current responsibilities. And then, full stack engineer with no SQL background. If your work has mostly involved APIs or microservices, you'll want to learn basic database and SQL concepts first. What are the core skills you'll need? Understanding of data concepts. Know what tables, rows, columns, schemas, and databases are. If you have used Excel or any reporting tool, you likely already have a head start. Check out my playlists on data fundamentals and data warehousing essentials if you want a refresher. Next, SQL proficiency. Snowflake is a SQL-based platform, so proficiency in SQL is fundamental. You'll need to be comfortable writing queries to interact with data stored in Snowflake. Next, cloud awareness. Snowflake runs on cloud platforms like AWS, Azure, and GCP. You don't need deep expertise, but it helps to understand what cloud native means. Curious about the term cloud native? Watch out this video to get a better clarity. Next, familiarity with ETL or data pipelines. Experience with tools like dbt, Informatica, or Talent can give you an edge, especially if you're aiming for a data engineering path. It's a nice to have skill. Lastly, introductory scripting. If you plan to automate tasks or integrate with data science workflows, knowledge of Python or Snowpark will be useful, but you can learn that later. This is optional for advanced users. What you don't need to worry about? You don't need deep cloud expertise, advanced programming skills, and memorizing complex jargons. Just bring your curiosity and consistency, and that's more than enough to get started. Feeling more confident? Then go ahead and jump into the next lesson in your Snowflake bootcamp. You're more ready than you think.